everyone, I am Shahan Laik. Welcome back to the channel, and today in this video I will discuss some very important MCQ for the NEET PG. And today I will discuss about myxoviruses. First is influenza and para-influenza virus. I will discuss about influenza and para-influenza virus MCQs. So let's focus on these questions. Antigenic variation is seen in all except. So in which we find antigenic variation? Remember this, antigenic variation is seen in influenza type A and type B. So in A and B we see antigenic variation, but we do not see antigenic variation in C. So the answer will be option C. Influenza type C is in influenza type C we do not see antigenic variation. So antigenic variations are seen in, remember, in A and B. Next question. So the previous question was from DNB, December 2009. Remember this. Reference Anantha Narayan. Next, which influenza virus shows both antigenic shift and drift? So both antigenic shift and drift, both is found in type A. Remember, answer will be type A. Which influenza virus shows both antigenic shift and drift? The answer will be type A. This is a PGMEE 2015 question. Reference Anantha Narayan. Next question. Influenza virus has receptor for. So influenza virus has receptor for neuraminidase and hemagglutinin. So influenza virus has both type of receptor, neuraminidase receptor and hemagglutinin receptor. So influenza virus has receptor for both. So answer will be C. So influenza virus has receptor for neuraminidase and hemagglutinin, both. This is PGMEE 2016-17 question. Reference Anantha Narayan. Next question. Antigenic shift is seen in. Antigenic shift is seen in which? Antigenic shift is seen in influenza type A virus. Antigenic shift is seen in type A. So remember, in type A both shift and drift are seen. So antigenic shift is seen in influenza type A virus. This is PGMEE 2016-17 question. Reference is Anantha Narayan. Next question. Which influenza strain not of human origin can cause pandemic? So this is an influenza strain which is not of the human origin, but it can cause pandemic. The answer will be H5N1. H5N1. Option C. H5N1. Remember this, H5N1. So which influenza strain? This is a influenza strain which is not of human origin, but it can cause pandemic. Remember the name, H5N1. Option C. H5N1. This is a PGMEE 2015 question. Reference Anantha Narayan. Next question. Antigenic shift as well as antigenic drift, both are seen in. So I told you this one. Antigenic shift as well as antigenic drift, both are seen in type A. Antigenic shift and drift both are seen in type A. Both shift and drift are seen. And if separately the question comes like antigenic shift is seen in, then also type A. Here antigenic drift is seen in type A. This is a PGMEE 2015 question. Reference Anantha Narayan. Next question. Most common organism causing laryngotracheobronchitis. So which organism causes laryngotracheobronchitis? So this is an inflammation of larynx, trachea and bronchus. So this name contains three important parts. Laryngotracheobronchitis. Remember this. So which organism causes laryngotracheobronchitis? Which organism causes laryngotracheobronchitis? What will be the answer? The answer is para-influenza virus. Para-influenza virus causes laryngotracheobronchitis. Para-influenza virus. Next question. So this is a PGMEE 2015 question, reference Anantha Narayan. Next question. Not true about paramyxovirus. Which is not true? See the options. Option are DNA virus, paramyxovirus are DNA virus, have linear nucleic acid, belongs to family Myxoviridae, and antigenetically stable. So the answer will be which one? Which is wrong? Option A is wrong. Option A is not true. Because paramyxovirus are RNA virus. Paramyxovirus are RNA virus. But here it is said that paramyxovirus are DNA virus. So option A is not true. Paramyxovirus are RNA virus. Remember this. So this question is also very important because it came in PGMEE 2015 question, reference Anantha Narayan. Okay, so let us revise all this question once again. Myxovirus, today we are discussing influenza and para-influenza virus. Antigenic variation is seen in all except. Option C will be the answer because antigenic variation are seen in both influenza type A and B. Next question. Which influenza virus shows both antigenic shift and drift? So it will be type A. Influenza virus that shows both shift and drift is type A. Next, influenza virus has receptor for. Influenza virus has two types of receptor. Both this receptor, one is neuraminidase, another is hemagglutinin. So influenza virus has both. So option C, both receptor, neuraminidase receptor and hemagglutinin receptor. Next question is antigenic shift is seen in. Antigenic shift is seen in influenza type A virus. Antigenic shift is seen in influenza type A. Next question. Which influenza strain not of human origin can cause pandemic? So which influenza strain that is not of the human origin but it can cause pandemic? It is H5N1. H5N1. Okay. It is not of the human origin but it can cause pandemic. Just like the coronavirus. H5N1. Next question. Antigenic shift as well as antigenic drift both are seen in type A. Antigenic shift and drift both are seen in type A. Most common organism that causes laryngotracheobronchitis. Most common organism that can cause laryngotracheobronchitis. The answer will be para-influenza virus. Para-influenza virus. Laryngotracheobronchitis. Laryngotracheobronchitis is caused by para-influenza virus. Next question. Not true about paramyxovirus is A, because paramyxovirus are not DNA virus, they are RNA virus. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video, make a thumbs up and please subscribe our channel and do comment below about the influenza and para-influenza virus. Bye bye.